I found a crazy AI niche that is absolutely crushing the algorithm right now. I'm talking about these simple car evolution videos, and channels in this niche are pulling over millions of views. And the crazy part, they are 100% AI generated. So I reverse engineered their strategy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos from scratch using just 2 AI tools that are completely free. Now, copy this master prompt and paste it in ChatGPT and hit generate. ChatGPT will then ask you 2 questions. The first one is, what car brand or specific model do you want the evolution video for? And the second question gives you 3 style options to choose from. The first option will generate you the prompts for the entire history of the brand from the very first car to the latest one. The second option focuses on a specific model. For example, if you enter BMW M5, then it will generate you prompts to get images for each evolution in M5 model. And the last option lets you pick a specific time range. For example, if you want to create videos for each BMW car launched between year 2005 and 2025, then you can use it. I will generate video for Rolls-Royce. So I will just type Rolls-Royce and A, as it will generate me prompt to get images of every Rolls-Royce car ever built, and hit generate, and ChatGPT will then provide you highly detailed prompt like this. Now for the step 2, which is image generation. Head over to Flow AI, click on New Project and switch to Create Images tab. Click on this settings icon and choose Nano Banana Pro model and select the number of outputs and aspect ratio. First, we need to generate our background. For this, go back to the doc file and copy this second prompt. Paste it in Flow and hit generate. And within seconds, you will get a high-quality background like this. To generate the image of car, click on this background image. A prompt box will appear. Now copy this first prompt from the ChatGPT. Paste it here and hit generate, and it will generate you an image of a car on the same background. Now copy the second prompt, paste it here, and hit generate. And you will get image like this. Do this for all the prompts and generate images for each model. And once you got the images for each model, switch to Frames to Video tab. Select the aspect ratio and choose Number of Outputs. Now upload the image of first car as first frame and second car as second frame. Head back to doc file, copy this third prompt and paste it here and hit generate. Within few minutes you will get a high quality transformation video just like this one. Now select the image of car which you have chosen as second frame in previous generation and select the next car image as second frame. Paste the video generation prompt and hit generate. Do this for each image and generate transformation clips for every model. Once you got all the clips, import them in any video editor and put them on timeline and sequence. Also add a background music if needed and add some text like the model name and year. Once the editing is complete, you will get a video like this. That's how you can generate these amazing car evolution videos. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and comment below if you face any issues. I'll see you in the next one.